guys, welcome back. There's been lots going on, and before we walk together and look at the progress inside the house, Hugo wanted to explain himself and say a few words why you haven't seen much of us and the house in the recent month.
I know it's been a while. I keep saying I'm going to release newer videos, but I got like 3 of them in the works, and the reason we haven't released anything is because so many jobs are in the works. As you can see behind me, the siding's getting done, we have tile getting redone inside, we have a whole bunch of stuff going on, and none of it's done. I don't want to release a video without the final product, so essentially that's my excuse. The other excuse is that I'm just super busy with the house. We're working on this all the time, trying to get it done. We're trying to move in the next few weeks. This video is going to be just a quick progress update of what we've done over the past month, so let's go check that out.
Okay, so this is the kitchen so far. This is our pretty big main island. It's walnut veneer, and it's going to have a quartz countertop that's not here yet, unfortunately. Behind me is our new fridge, our super nice gas oven. I just picked our backsplash. That's not up yet. It should be up this week or next week. The countertops have to be installed for the tile guy to apply the backsplash. But as you can see, it's a very nice, veined, highly patterned marble. We have also received our brand new sink. It's a bit thicker than standard, so it's 16 gauge as opposed to 18 gauge. And it's a chef sink, whatever that means. That's pretty deep, 10 inches deep. And I'm pretty proud of our, I'll leave that for later, our faucet. It's really nice, but that could be a surprise when the kitchen is done. Dishwasher and just some more cabinetry here. You'll get a better idea when we have our complete door set received, because we have a bit of a setback and these doors weren't finished in time. And same as above the fridge, there's a nice walnut door that goes there. We have received our handles, but they're not there yet. You will also get the full picture when the kitchen is done, so we gotta leave some surprises in there. The doors are installed on the powder room. I don't know if you've been in here yet, but this is it.
Like Isa said, that's where we're at with the kitchen so far. We're hoping that everything kind of comes together in the next week or two, so stay tuned for that kitchen video, and we'll go into the full design of the kitchen, and we'll go into how we chose stuff, how we actually designed stuff with the kind of IKEA kitchen planner, the Swedish doors, and then choosing all the trades and backsplash and tiles and all the bells and whistles that go with that. So Isa's gonna keep leading us on this tour, and I'm just gonna follow along with you guys and enjoy.
Follow me. The mainstays is pretty cleaned up, and Hugo did finish all the baseboards and the door trims. All that's left is to hide the cracks and the nail heads with putty, and then sand that and do all the paint touch-ups. We need to touch up all the doors and the walls, so if you see anything like that, that is yet to come. The steps are still not finished. We actually don't know when that'll be finished yet. Hopefully soon. All the doors in the house have been installed using the closets that have been done before. So this is a nice time for this bedroom because of the tree reflections. We also have one single lamp in the entire house installed and purchased. Finally! The tile has been reinstalled by a different installer. we rethought about it and we just picked a different size and we laid it vertically. I thought it would look more fresh and modern, and also would lend itself better to this geometry here of this wall. The grout is obviously not done, so it's just going to be white grout as opposed to the dark grout we had last time, and we realized the defects are way too obvious when we use dark grout. So we have a tile baseboard, and obviously there is a big cleanup to be done. I purchased some little vases. Not that it was time for that, but I did it anyway. So I got some to go with each of our little bedside tables. I painted to go along with the wall form decal shapes. Wall, paint headboards. So we have two little tables like this and another vase to go with it. Just in case you guys were interested to get a little sneak peek of the decoration. Major reveal, we have a different tile in the master bath. I think it's really beautiful. Hugo wanted to keep the original white tile that we had before, but I saw this and it was our other option, and although it was a bit more expensive, I really fell in love with it. So this is what we got.
Way more expensive.
It's a 24 by 24 and we installed it in Bricklay, and now the niche is much nicer, much cleaner than before. We just went with a full, well, I cut out a full tile in the back and a marble edge. We also put a marble edge finally on the shelf, the half wall shelf where the vanity will be. I originally wanted a piece of wood there, but it was just easier this way. It didn't cost that much money and the installer was there. This bathroom is almost done. The grout has to be done and then that's it. We can install the shower door and we can install the vanities, which I'm very excited about. That is it for the inside update, and now we can join Hugo for the exterior.
Alright, so here it is in all its glory. As you can see, we're still missing some siding on the outside, and that's why I haven't released the siding video yet. It's really coming together, but same story with the roof. The quality of the work is great, but Chris is working on multiple jobs at the same time, so he's not here all the time. Hopefully he should finish this up soon. So I guess that goes to show that when you hire your friends, they make you wait, but they do a really good job. So let's actually check out what he's done so far. All right, so as you can see, we have all the exterior trims. We have the Maybach siding in the peaks. We have the black trims. We only need essentially the soffits are left, and all the black Maybach that's left in this kind of area where you still see some exposed Tyvek. All right, so but he has been working away on that. There's another major part of the house that's yet to be done, and that's kind of around the corner. That's a pretty confined space, so it's hard to work there. It takes a bit more time than it would if you had all the room in the world, and he's doing that by ladder with his cousin Jesse, who's helping him out. So, well, there it is. you get a pretty good idea of what that looks like. It's almost done. It's gonna look a little cleaner once it's finished up, but all right, so that was just a quick summary of where we're at so far. We're not dead. We're still working on this house and we're really close to being in, but we're doing a lot of work on this, so finding the time to edit these videos is more challenging, but I am filming and taking a whole bunch of footage, so hopefully once the house dies down a little bit and we're maybe moved in, I'll start rolling out these videos quick enough. So peace, I guess.
I hope you like coming on a little tour.
I hope you like that little tour.
I hope you like accompanying me making a little tour for you of the house and the progress. If you want to see me more often in the videos, let us know and comment down below. Other than that, like and subscribe.
Isa, please.
Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.